Today, on the 9 month of full-scale war in Ukraine, I would like to say thank you on behalf of whole Дрогобицька community to all our twin cities and all foreign organizations who supported and keep supporting Ukrainians in the fight against the enemy. We became stronger because of your priceless support. We can confront the enemy, support our soldiers, and give the help to the cities that suffered by the enemy shelling. Unfortunately, this war is draining our resources. Russia cynically attacks Ukrainians' energy infrastructure. Therefore, this winter is going to be very difficult for Ukrainians. To continue our struggle, we still greatly need your support. First of all, energy support. Today, more than ever, we need power generators and autonomous heating sources. Devices that will provide electricity and heat and will help Ukrainians to survive this winter. Let us stand together to guard the security of the whole Europe and the freedom in the whole world. Glory to heroes of Ukraine and glory to everybody who supports Ukrainians in this war.